Shem ke re ka nagana ga go naganege go nagana le dibekenyana mara like o rata dio tsa di-makeup ne but what should I get for her? Sometimes se na le within nna ke batla go eletsang rotate ne like ke batla ke reke frame ne ya 3D then ke etse something like bona ke re ke search mo founung ya tla go bontsha kopa go bontsha ka founu sharp ke tla go bontsha ga before go robala ya I want to make something like that because it will nna le ke re yona di-pictures be ke di jinsa ga ke itse go ditlhaloganye mara ke di kopantsha gore frame ya teng ke ma 15 rand e seng frame-nyana tse tsa di-photonyana tse tsa kereke ke frame e smart ya 3D e kana then be obvious go etsa di-picture le ko inthanete mara ke batla inthanete ya quality ya go spa e na le go crack-a video like le go spa ya 3D gape o gana 3D ya pampiri 3D ya pampiri kima then ka etsa ke batla etsa di-picture tse maybe mo CapCut or ka yone ke di e seng ka di-folder-nyana mara ke tla go bontsha e seng ka di-folder mpega le di-corner e na le di-corner-nyana yana something boy let me show you something hi guys how you guys doing ke go bontsha something like what ema pedi go sa ke nana ke rileng 3D ai ke itse na ke rileng nna ke nna ke se ke timetse le bone still the same though how about change you're very hungry like di-ghost tsa ka di kae nte menteng bua ka batho ba bantsi ghost tsa ka di kae ke wallpaper for girls using pictures maybe wena o tlo ntsi e ka ikira fela e sutle ka ikira fela ko e bula ba hai ntse ke sa ba le di-comments mo dimong wena
o eme fela la nka fifisa
itse ke ene ke tla go bontsha which is sort of like bona picture ne let's say ke tsere picture ke le ko molong then e go tlhagela nna fela ke le one then e be ke cut background yeah then e be ke ditlhakantse ke di tsa se one but yo how am I gonna explain it ke tla go bontsha ka phone aka I'll show you ka phone aka ha ke tse ke nne ke ba le dikosi nna tla go lebala ba yeah now guys we actually sleeping e re ke le botseng ditaba hi guys okay ise ke dumedise but hi guys how are you you guys good are you guys perfect have you guys eaten anything well basically but yeah have you guys oh Kalekasa be live I miss being live so I'm back and I'm back guys I bought dresses like ke nyaka go ba mosadi like I always wear the trousers and stuff so no ke nyaka go ba madam ke nyaka go ba bro so I bought a couple of dresses go shop and they really look good on me ha ke se go mo strate batho ba tle reng ba yeah paper dresses but what is Vicky saying Hoti you say that again hello dear hi Janesha ke manyelo o mosrenda ha makatalo yena ke re ba busy tle yana Shandesha ba release go fela go tsagala ke nagana go busa ditlhoko tseo ke na le di-shani tse dintsi man I think tlamehile go busa ditlhoko tsele ke reke ke re ditlhoko tse dintsi nyana tse dintsi man yo motho tla dumaka ditlhoko tse le one every time mare man di le cute ke a bona nyana like nna ka mbule ka di 1K wa mo okay motsa mo dai mo bona di santlha ke bona Tula mabota.
Batho ba di-iPhone anke ba dirisa camera straight. Batho ba di-iPhone ba dirisa camera straight.
Ba bang ba dirisa difilter.
Mara bo go nna
Yeah.
like jaaka ngwanao.
Ngwana o dirisa phone straight ene.
Nna nke go nna ndetse ba ere dipina.
Yo. And guys, why the profiles tsa lona di se purple? Why the profiles tsa lona di se purple lo? Why? Di tsamaya bjang di-exam? I must say. But they're literally good. I'm like, ke tla re eng jo? Ke tla re eng? Ntsa. Mara ya. Like wa tshegisa. Like o mpotsa potso e ke senang ka ba yone ngwanao. So nna ko re nna ba tsenya dilo yang vele. Like how did they put music? And nna ha ke tsamaya ka iPhone. Ke tletsiyang. Ke tletsiyang ka re nna ha ke tsamaya ka iPhone. Guys, I wanna accept request ne. Hi super. I wanna accept the request, but market accept the request. But Mamudi, a friend of mine got me this. It's cute, ne? It's cute, but able to more like it. Do I clip it here? Like I think I can put it here. Oh, little bone. Re aid re 5 nya. Yeah, ke tlo le aid. Ke re ke le botsa ka exam ka nta le botlo itse gore ke kotse yang. Cow ka dilo da le di fake friends. Ka nta le botlo itse gore no ke kotse bjang and how. Anyways, ke kotse sharp because lona le botlo mpotse. 360 but Modimo ha ke tsene ke re ka ya St John nna. Ha ke tsene ke re ka St John ha ke shape di 360 plus no kwalang mekantello diaboa. Guys, I'm not a fan of the lip gloss, but I'm trying. But I'm not a fan of the lip gloss. I'm not a fan of the lip gloss. The lip gloss it's nna di stress. Ke na le go ipotsa gore ma go egelang fa e. The request tsa lona di ang traumatize. O ka re ke nna ditedi. Wow, TikTok is so creative these days. Very creative. Which one is this? TikTok is so creative. Ow! Yes! I don't want to be pink. I gotta put this back. I don't want to be pink or anything. Okay, I'm dark skinned. I'm dark skinned. Homeboy, thank you. Guys, I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. Hey, tomorrow? Not tomorrow. Next week. Yo, hey, yes, next week. Ikalwala. What if ba batla go bona gore ke go bala le Mamvele? Ka go bontsha gore yeah. So next time tlo nrekela sona ke re lebza. Hello, hi, how are you? And then give us and hug me live in 15 minutes. Don't tla gating. Ga ke itse gating Maria, kopa le etseng bjalo. Gating 9 gifts to send me hug me. Kopa le nsendileng hug me. Ha ke itse go ke foeng but yeah, kopa le nsendileng hug me. Ke nyaka go bona something. Ke nyaka go bona le nna go galang. Ga ba nsendela hug me. Kopa le nsendileng hug me you too. Where are you from? I'm from home. I'm actually chilling at home right now. What? That one in Nigeria. I can smell Nigerian here. Do you know? This is man. Bala leng re keleng diteki la bona ke go iragala ga fela. Donation ya diteki. I'm ending this live in a few minutes time. I have to study. Study what kids? Hey, no, I'm not studying. What if my boyfriend is calling me? What if Kajola Marie? What if Kajola? Tla ke la hota December. December? Ke tla ka December vele. Ya para says mang is 2.5. Well, say 2.5. It's the says it's UK. Kana go nega shebang UK. Okay, US K 2.5. UK it's 3. France it's 35. JP is 220. China is 215. So I think size 3. Kerala size 3. I don't know. I'm also from Ghana, but in Qatar now. Oh, really? 2 is insane. If no Sabbath, you can go really. What's our sorry? What's our mother? Mapili. Hi. Are you single? Hey, Nina, I'm a question name. Are you single? Am I single? Hey, my Billy. But are you single? Hey, my Billy. Please stop asking me if I'm single or not. No, I'm not single. Well, I'm on a taking stage. Okay, so a lot is going on. So taking. Hi Machiwi. Hi baby. How are you? Taken by who? Taken by who? Who said I was taken? Taken by who? She has a boyfriend, bro. How do you know? How do you guys know that I have a boyfriend? She doesn't know. There's almost in your parade. Bang pressurizer. I'm pressurized. Cause you are very beautiful. If you see my baby, you go shut up. Oh, more too far, no be make up for your baby latano. Finish work from you. Oh, tomato, put that thing back. Here as usual. Thank you, baby, and I love you. That's a big word to start a night to. That's a big word, my brother. Pasok Pasok chill. Get a nice chill. Guys, I made new friends. I made new friends. I'm gonna go with a shop. Good night. Good night, boy. Guys, I made new friends. Guys, it's my friend's birthday tomorrow. I don't know what to get for her. Any suggestions? Hey, Bafito. Mautuaka. Wana. Food is good. Give me food. If you see my baby, you go shut up. Like, and please don't record me. No, 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 record. Spaghetti western.
I was so now. Skabua maka. Nagana. Skabua maka. We are young lady.
Odomo go ya. Ke ya go tlhaloganyo ya le go etsa ka bo. Thula mabota. Thula dikolo. Kamoso, I'm gonna do a holo. I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it next week. Guys, I'm changing my wardrobe. I want something very cute. I want to tell you guys about my man. Kodaish. I ain't got no man. But
Why not got here? How?
next
Sport.
it was the
But he's. Vivid station Narian.
even to me. Joe.
Monto dos semanas.
Hello, mama. I'm loving your phone right now. mara botse magana ke na le small waist. I had like, how? Now it's like, phone case e ntšha guys, because wa nyewa tala phone case e nngwe go balaleng re ke leng phone case e nngwe go balaleng thuba mabota thuba dikgollo snokonoko monoroko wa gate ya yone eo ke rata party eo. Guys, ke rile mfenne hat me ke itse mfenne hat me mfenne hat me ke bua Sechangane mfenne had me. Actually, bye bye, good night guys, it was nice seeing you guys. Bye guys, thank you for joining my live for this few minutes. It's a whatever it is. Good night, have a nice day. Le go baleng le be monate la ntshwara la ntlhaloganya yeah, le be monate le beng on ya bone le beng sharp. Bye bye bye.